Let's make Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips.
Let's go, young man. Last time with the Wellington, you nailed it. Okay, beautiful. Glad you kept the skin on. Tartar sauce. Wow, the old chopping has come on in leaps and bounds. Dude, that is precise beyond belief. Be careful, because my mum is watching. She taught me fish and chips, and so far so good. Nice, dense, thick tartar sauce. Butter looks good. Fish, let's go. Crispy, fingers crossed. Good. Aerated batter, let it rest. Dip it in. Cayenne, this is looking good. Yet again, you've nailed it, young man.